Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Tahoe radio. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a plastic trim removal tool, a 7mm socket wrench, and a small flathead screwdriver. Always disconnect the vehicle's negative battery terminal before starting any electrical work to ensure safety. Also, place a soft cloth on your dashboard to protect it from any accidental scratches during the process. Next, we will remove the dash trim panel that surrounds the radio. Begin by using your plastic trim tool to carefully pry around the edges of the panel. Work your way around, gently releasing the retaining clips. Once the clips are free, pull the panel away slightly. Remember to disconnect any electrical connectors, like those for the climate control, before fully removing the trim and setting it aside. Now that the trim is off, you can access the radio unit itself. You will see 4 bolts holding the radio in place. Use your 7mm socket wrench to carefully remove these 4 bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the radio unit straight out from the dashboard. Then, reach behind and disconnect the antenna cable and all the main wiring harnesses by pressing their release tabs. With all the bolts removed and cables disconnected, you can now fully remove the old radio unit. Take a moment to double-check that nothing is still attached. If you are installing a new radio, connect its wiring harnesses and antenna cable now. Finally, to finish up, simply reverse the steps we just covered to reinstall the dash trim panel, ensuring all clips snap back into place and connectors are reattached.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.